My name is Dante, and welcome to Montana. The assortments of souvenirs over the years in the house are all truly amazing. The scenery of Montana is stunning. Literally everywhere we go is true beauty. Welcome to Schmidt Knives and Forge, where some of the finest blacksmithing materials are made. Some of the nicest blades I've ever seen are all made here. Products range from hunting knives to huge projects like gates and such. Here are some of the hunting knives made from Damascus steel. And today we're going to go behind the scenes and get an in-depth look at one of the projects our friend Rick Schmidt has been working on. The task of blacksmithing is both arduous and tedious. Beginning with the concept idea and sketching it on the table, and then heating it up, hot enough to bend it and mold it into a masterpiece.
You see, you come up like this, cross, and then I'll fill in with other pieces.
After heating up, straightening, and bending the bars, after a total of 3 rounds, we can start to see the perfection. Rick Schmidt is a master in his craft, and the key rule is to never rush a masterpiece.
Just watching me do these 2 tapers. So I did 3 tapers. Look at the tapers on that.
And here's the final product. Although it's still a work in the making, it is a true masterpiece in itself. On behalf of Schmidt Knives and Forge, I want to thank you for watching this video, the behind the scenes process of the true Master Blacksmith himself. All links are in the description. Thank you.